one, if A equal to set of x such that x equal to 2 power n, comma, n belongs to whole number and n is less than 4, and B equal to x such that x equal to 2n, n belongs to natural number and n is less than or equal to 4, and C they given directly, C equal to 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, then verify the associative property of intersection of sets. Before entering into the associative property, you know very well, we need A element, B element, C element. C elements they given directly, but A and B they given in rule form. We need to convert into roster form, right? First நம்ம rule formல இருந்து என்ன பண்ணலாம், roster formக்கு மாத்திட்டு elements நம்மளுக்கு கிடைச்சிரும். Listing the elements we will get, right? After that we will proceed this. Clear? Yes. First write solution here. What is the condition they given here? A equal to, you write that condition x such that x equal to 2 power n. That means n is whole number and n is less than 4, right? So they given n value. What is n value here? They given less than, it's a whole number means it starts with 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Less than 4 means we need to take this 4. We no need to take this 4. Right? நம்ம இந்த 4 எடுக்க வேண்டாம், because இங்கே அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணியிருந்தாங்கன்னா we need to take this 4 also. Okay? Because it's less than or equal to 4 means we should take. இங்கே less than மட்டும்தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அதனால 4க்கு கம்மியாக தான் நம்ம இங்கே எடுக்கணும். Clear? Now, here what they given here, x equal to, what form they given here, 2 power n. First, instead of this n, you should substitute this value, 2 power 0. Anything to the power 0, what is the value? 1. Anything to the power 0, சரியா, எந்த நம்பர் இருந்துட்டு பவரில் 0 இருந்தாலும் அதோட வேல்யூ என்னமா வரும்? 1 தான் வரும். இப்போ 3 to the power 0னா 1, 4 to the power 0னா 1, 5 to the power 0, 1000 to the power 0னாலும் 1 தான். Anything to the power 0 is 1. Next, x equal to 2 power n இருக்கிறதுல next என்ன value we have to substitute? 1. So 2 ones are 2. Yes. Next, 2 power 2, that means 2 into 2. What is the value, ma? 2 into 2, 4. 2 square means it is 2 times we should write 2. 2 2s are what? 4. Now, x equal to 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means how many times we need to write 2? 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Clear? Now, you write in listed format. A equal to, what is the first element you got? 1. Next element 2, next element 4, next element 8. This is A element. Now, then next what they given? B. B equal to x such that x equal to 2n. That means 2 into n. N is natural number and n is less than or equal to 4 they given. Okay ma? Okay. First we will write n value. Natural number it starts with 1. 2, 3, 4 we need to include because here they given equal to. Equal to means we need to include 4 also. So 4 inga include panikonga. Clear children? Okay. What is x they given? X equal to 2n. So x equal to 2. Instead of this n, what value we need to apply? 1. 2 ones are 2. Because this is multiplication, so only I am putting bracket here. Bracket means you can understood, right? It is a multiplication. Clear? 2 ones are 2. Next, instead of n, what we should apply? 2. Okay. So n x equal to 2 into 2. 2 2s are what, ma? 4. Next, x equal to 2 power, 2 into 3. Then 2 3s are 6. X equal to 2 power, 2 into 4. It's not power, it's a multiplication. 2 4s are. Okay, 8. So now, what is the B value now? What is the B element? First element is 2 and then 2, 4, 6, 8. This is the B element. Clear children? B element we found, right? They given in a rule form, we converted into a roster form, right? C they given as it is. What are the elements they given? 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Right as it is. 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. So this is C element. Okay ma. Now they are asking you to prove associative property of intersection of sets, intersection of sets. You know very well intersection, right? What is the property, ma? Write first A intersection B intersection C. Both the sides write the same thing. A intersection B intersection C. Bracket. First last two sets you should put bracket. Here first two set you should put bracket. This is the intersection formula. Clear, children? Okay. Now we will substitute this one. We will consider as LHS. What is LHS here? A intersection B intersection C. How many stars we need to use here? 2 stars. First one is inside the bracket we should solve. B intersection C. What is the B element here? 2, 4, 6, 8. Intersection. What is C element? 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Intersection means it is combined or common element? Common element. Okay. So what is common here? 2 is common and then 6 is common. Clear? 2, 6 is common. Next we need to solve fully that LHS. So A intersection B intersection C. First what element we should write here? A element. What is A element here? 1, 2, 4, 8. Right here. 1, 2, 4, 8. Intersection. What is the next value they given? B intersection C. What are the elements present in B intersection C? 2, 6. Yes. Now see the common element here. 2 is common. So this is first equation. This is first equation. Now just see left hand side. Left hand side is 2. So now we will move to right hand side. Right hand side you know very well. First 2 only. So put bracket stars A intersection B. Here what is the A element you know very well? 1, 2, 4, 8. Right here 1, 2, 4, 8. Intersection. What is B element here? B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Right here 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now see the common element here. 2 is common, 4 is common and then 8 is common. Right? Now fully you write A intersection B intersection C. Okay, ma. So what is A intersection B? Now only you found 2, 4, 8. Intersection. What is C element they given? Directly they given, right? Where is that? 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. So right here 0, 1, 2, 5, 6. Yes. What is common element here? Because here we are using intersection. Intersection means common element. What is common here? 2. So this is second equation. Now see first equation and second equation. First equation is 2, second equation is 2. So both are equal. From 1 and 2, from 1 and 2. So LHS equal to RHS. Therefore A intersection B intersection C equal to A intersection B intersection C. Hence verified. Okay. Next property we will see in next video. Thank you, ma.